Hey babes, it's David here, and I'm with the stunning Marissa.
Hi, loves.
And we're going to show you why it's so good to be extra with BUXOM's Xtrovert Mascara. Xtrovert Mascara is for the babe who isn't afraid to be the center of attention by delivering intense, standout lashes. The brush on Xtrovert Mascara is so sexy. It's a spiraled shape, and as you look at it from the top, it looks like an X, just like the X in Xtrovert. The spaces in between the spiraled fiber act as a reservoir for the formula. I like to start by applying at the root of the lash, spiraling that X-shaped brush, and this technique is really going to play up that shape, and it's going to comb every lash and deposit the formula evenly throughout. The formula is infused with a blend of natural and synthetic waxes, so that's going to create intense volume that's creamy and builds easily, so lashes never feel hard and just soft to the touch. For the lower lashes, I like using the corner of the X and doing a crisscross motion to grab each and every lash, especially those tiny ones. And the blackest black pigment creates the sexiest, darkest lashes. Now that Marissa and I just showed you how to achieve the sexiest, intense lashes, just remember, Xtrovert Mascara. Extra volume, extra lift, extra length. It's so good to be extra.